Leading up to the knee replacement, within months, I was getting out of the bed in the morning with a walker because my knee hurt so bad and not being able to put pressure on it. Even at work, just sitting at my desk and then trying to get up, I could hardly move at first. It gets really discouraging and frustrating. You want to do things and you're willing to do things, but your body is not letting you do it. Knee replacement surgeries have come so far. Dr. Holmesley has a great record, and I was just excited to have it. It was like a Christmas present for myself. Life for me right now is amazing. I mean, I wake up, it's a whole new quality of life. I can work out, I can get out and do the things I love. I can help my parents. So not just do the things I love by being out in nature and hiking and exploring, but I can mow the grass for them. I can help more around the house, and that just means a lot to me. I can still hike, I can rock climb, I can paddle, I can camp, I can explore, just your normal daily activities are pain-free. Dr. Holmesley was wonderful. When I went in to see him the first visit, he didn't say, like the other doctors said, well, why don't we wait a little longer or try to put me off. Immediately he was like, oh yeah, you need a knee replacement. We can do that for you. Like my whole attitude, like I had hope again. I was super encouraged. I was like, finally, I'm gonna get this fixed and be able to move on.